Hi friends, today I'm going to cover Azure Key Vault. Azure Key Vault is one of the most important feature available on the cloud, but people doesn't give much attention as they don't see the direct value from the Key Vault. It's not a direct feature or must feature for the various aspects like VM or app services or storage. However, if you want to secure those different resources coming from the cloud, you must need to have some kind of key vault. So in simple terms, any vault is used to store some secured items in that, maybe the valuable items. Similarly here, Azure Key Vault is used to secure the wide variety of keys, certificates and secrets, and these keys can be used to encrypt or decrypt or to access from the wide variety of applications and access the certificates for the various reasons. As you can see in the simple diagram here, the keys are stored under the Azure Key Vault, and these keys are accessible to the Azure developers and security administrator. Secure administrator can generate the keys, generate the certificates, or import or download the certificates from the Key Vault and upload the key to Key Vault. And at the same time, all the developers and the resources can use this particular Key Vault keys, certificates and secrets. So moving on, like where we can integrate these keys. These keys can be used in storage accounts, Azure Disk Encryptions, Azure App Services, SQL Always Encrypted, Azure Kubernetes Services. I give only few features, but these keys can be used across all the wide variety of features. Like in my real time, I used on the Azure IoT Hub, both certificates and keys. Similarly, we have used Key Vault to store the connection string. This is the best example. Like any .NET application usually store all the connection strings in the web.config file. But that was a good practice till few years back, but now it is not at all a good practice to store any connection strings which are related to the database. The best place of storing those kind of connection strings is Key Vault. Not only the .NET applications, any other technology stack applications have different type of secrets. We usually use the same code files to save the secrets, either in the code file or maybe in the configuration file of which resides in the local server, which is not at all good idea. Those all secrets keys can be moved to the Key Vault. At the same time, even the certificates can be moved to the Key Vault, and this will help to centrally manage all these keys, secrets and certificates. Anytime any certificate is getting expired, we'll get to know because it is centrally logged. If your organization has 100 different applications and different application teams, all these teams must be using hundreds of certificates or thousands of certificates. Managing them will become a hurdle and big obstacle. So if you organize that all under the Key Vault, it is easy to manage and maintain as well. Similarly, the keys for all the 100 variety of applications can be managed under the Key Vault securely. So it adds lot of value in every application development as well as the cloud resources management and maintenance. So Key Vault use cases: data protection, encryption modes, application security and certificate management. Trust me, this all will be the day-to-day activities in every Azure developer or administrator or DevOps life. So they have to secure all this data as per the security administrator or security architect guidelines. So Key Vault is going to play a key role in all these aspects. In my next session, I'm going to show you how to create the Key Vault and how to access the keys from the storage account. Thanks for watching my video.